The overall goal of this child-friendly gaming test, based on a commercially available digital 3D sensor, is to objectively assess the upper limb function for clinical trials.
This method can provide key information such as how the muscle function is changed for many neuromuscular diseases.
The main advantage of this technique is that the assessment is objective and quantitative with high resolution.
The implications of our method extend towards measuring disease progression of spinal muscular atrophy, because children often perform poorly in the standard clinical assessment.
Though our designed test can provide insights into upper limb movement, the same technique can also apply to other motor symptoms, like whole body gait and balance analysis. We first had the idea for this method when we were brainstorming the possibility of gamification in the area of assessing drug effect.
Visual demonstration of this method is vital because it provides meaningful insight into the dynamic of the game and is a very fast way to understand the setup.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Ulrike Bonati, the medical doctor from Basel University Hospital, where the study was performed, and Strahm, an invited healthy volunteer who has also participated in the study.
To begin, install the 3D sensor drivers and the wardrobe game application to the testing computer. Then, place the computer on a table with a height of 0.5 to 1 meters. Place the 3D device on the table, aligned